it's me. I wasn't too clear in my first video, and I know a few of you are still a bit confused, so belching tutorial part 2. So, how to do the dragon noise. Okay, well, first of all, step 1, close your throat. Close it completely off, to where if you pinch your nose and you're trying to breathe through your mouth, it's just not happening. And eventually, you will turn red or blue, whichever. Like so. Magical step number 2. So while your throat is closed, like so, and you can't make yourself, it's hard to breathe, you can't do it naturally, force the air down. Listen to what it sounds like. It makes a popping noise. And you get like little baby burps if you just... this is harder to explain than I thought. Okay, so make the popping noise, close your throat, and try to force air down. It'll hurt at first if you don't know what you're doing, but once you figure it out, you'll understand why I think it's so easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Step 1 was to close your throat muscles, like so. Step 2 was to force air down. Now, whew, Lord have mercy. Okay, so once you force the air down, you'll hear a little popping noise at first. Okay, and you can stop there and have like little baby burps, like this. Or, you can keep sucking air down. Once you make it pop, listen, once you make it pop, you can force more air down, like so. And that's how you make the balloon sound. Some of you have asked me how to belch with your mouth closed. Well, not everybody has to look like a loser like I do when I suck in the air with my mouth open. However, you get a louder belch with that. Same thing, you're using the exact same muscles that I told you about in method 1, but the only thing is that instead of sucking the air around you in, like so, that was weird. Instead of sucking the air in around you, you're sucking in the air that's already in your body. I'll stand for this one to show you. I'll get closer to the camera. So if you're just using the air that's inside your body, it's like this. They're deeper, but they don't go as long and they're not as loud. Now, if you guys, tube up, YouTube some belching videos, most people who belch without opening their mouth, you'll see them do like this weird little bob with their head, like this. Why? Because so part 2 of the belching tutorial will be cut short. I know. Don't cry for me. Don't cry. I know you're upset. But that's okay. Just send me your messages. Send me your comments. Leave comments. Rate me. Don't forget to rate me. Send me your messages like, hey, what's up, Emma? Oh, I don't know. You have a request? Yeah, I do. Why don't you say, hey, Samantha, on your YouTube video? I do want to give a special shout out to a guy who's been leaving comments on belching tutorial part 1, and he's asked me to further explain the whole dragon noise, which I really hope this helped. If it didn't, don't be afraid to comment it and tell me. I will make a part 3 just for you. And that person is going by the title
Urban Rookie. Urban Rookie.
Let me do that again for you. You know, maybe people will understand it.
Urban Rookie.
I've also had another guy message me. Notice these people are all guys who think this is cool. Girls are like, ew, gross, she's burping, turn it off. His name is Ralph, and he's asked me to belch his name really, really long with a lot of L's. So, this one goes out to... Let's try it with more of an A. Well, then you don't hear the th at the end, you just hear rah. Okay, last choice. Let's try it with more R.
Ralph.
I don't know. Message me, Ralph. Tell me which one you like better.
You might think this is disgusting. It's really cool.
That's pretty much it. So,
If I could escape and recreate a place that's my own world, and I could be your favorite girl forever, perfectly together. And tell me, boy, now wouldn't I be